Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to install Windows 3.1. I know this is a little random of a video, but I'm doing it. So, firstly you have to open we're going to make a virtual machine, so get your virtual machine, software open, click the create button. I'm using VirtualBox, so I just have it here. So I'm just going to name it MS-DOS plus Windows 3.1. Make sure it's set to Windows 3.1. Now don't choose an ISO since it cannot be installed from an ISO. So you click next, 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 finish. Now, okay, you're looking at all my VMs. Okay, let me make it smaller. Okay, wait, okay, you can't even read anything. Okay, well, click settings because we can't boot it up if we don't have a. We can't boot it up if we don't have the um a boot device. So I'm gonna get a boot device. Okay, let me make the setting bigger. So I got the settings open. Now I put the links to all of the floppy disks you'll need. The all from Winward. Do we? Just so you know, if you try to install Doom, at least for me, for some reason it made it unbootable. So we have the floppy controller since we have we set it to Windows 3.1. So just get disk 1 from MS-DOS. So that in, click OK, and then you're looking at the settings again. So then power it up, click start. Um, okay, got it showing. So you can just click X on that, and then now we're to just install MS-DOS because we'll need to install MS-DOS to get Windows 3.1. So click enter, enter, enter. Just say that starting, and then it'll just be formatting stuff. Just wait for it to finish formatting, analyzing. You can just click enter, enter, let it download. Just let it down. Now this is where you need to swap the disks. So click machine settings, and then I won't be showing the rest of me swapping them. So so I'm I'm not gonna show until I get to actual 3.1. So click enter since I just added the disk. Okay, so let's just swap it again. I'm just putting in the next one. This is the last one for MS-DOS, but we'll need more for Windows 3.1. So, 85% complete. You just have to wait a minute. Okay, longer than a minute, but maybe it's longer than a minute. But, oh, now you'll need to remove the floppy disk. So how you do that is just, let me show the settings again. So just go to storage, click the floppy disk, click the floppy disk icon like we were before. And then, yeah. So after you will empty the drive, just click OK. And then click enter. Now that it's now we have MS-DOS, so we can get here. Now we'll need the MS-DOS, I mean not MS-DOS, Windows 3.1 disks. So with the second one, and also if you haven't been able to get your cursor out, it's just right control by default. So like we were doing before, let's just go to storage, click the floppy disk, choose the first Windows 3.1 disk, click OK. Now, to get to the setup, you need to put A to go into the floppy disk drive. And now, just type setup and it will open setup. Just click enter. Now, yeah, we're going to need to, okay, my cursor keeps on disappearing. So we're just swapping the disk again. Disk 2, enter. I'll just put Alien at 13, and we don't need a company yet, so we can just not click on that. And how, okay, 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 I know you couldn't see what was happening on my screen, but if you're following along, you know that I was just asking for the disk. Let me just do this. Now it's a small window so you can actually see it. So we can just click continue, continue. There's no company because I'm not part of a company. So at least this installation isn't. So insert to disk free. You can just see my cursor going around to do stuff. Click continue. You just have to put the disk in a couple times. Put each disk in because they don't have a lot of space. So you have to have a bunch of them into disk 5 like it says. Continue. This is the last disk that's needed. So let's just put in disk 6. Continue. The reason I was just saying from that company is because that's the version I'm using, that version. So I'll just put the details. You can just see how those were popping up for a minute. You can click OK. You can run the tutorial or skip it. You can restart and what? Huh? This wasn't planned. This wasn't planned. One sec. Okay, that wasn't planned. Or maybe, wait, there could be, I think I know the reason that it's saying that there's a non-system disk. Let me just check in settings. Make sure to remove the disk, or that happens. So, press a key. Now it's starting MS-DOS. Okay, now that we're here, we can just type when. Everything disappears. And boom. And as for another thing, I'm going to try to get Doom running, because that might have been the reason why it wasn't working before. So, searching my recycle bin so I can restore that, because I thought it just wasn't working. So, got that. We can just close Program Manager, and it'll take us back to DOS. Like we were before, we can just choose the disk and add Doom disks. Doom only needs 2 disks. Don't know why it was. And so we can just type install. And now that I know, now that I'm pretty sure I know what was happening, let's just put C, put that. Now we need it, so we need it to not be in slash, because that might format the entire thing. Well, not really format, but delete everything. So now that that's there, we can insert this. So put in the next Doom. Click enter. Now we need disk 1 again. Because I guess that was only needed to build it. I have a mouse, so I'll choose yes for the mouse. And let's see, is it emulating any audio? Okay, yeah, it's emulating a Sound Blaster 16. So, oh, yep, it says right here Sound Blaster 16. So, don't know what all this stuff is, so no. For using Sound Blaster. I'm just going to click interview all of this and hope it works. Save settings and do this. Okay, Doom is running. Let's hope it doesn't freeze. Oh. Or is it playing itself? Or is it playing itself? Okay, I'm just going to turn off the machine. Because for some reason that was auto-playing itself. Which I do not want. Let's open the VM again. At least it's better than last time, which was just frozen. And okay, yep. I forgot again to remove the floppy disk because it tries to go from the floppy disk, which isn't what we want. So key, we just got this, and let's see if Windows 3.1 will pick up the Doom folder. So Doom SW, Doom shareware. So let's open Win. And then we can just look through stuff, try to go into applications. Now I did forget how to. No, oh no, I put it down. Okay, how do I go back? How do I make it not just QBasic? Okay, so I forgot how to make it to show new stuff, so I'm just going to be figuring it out. Oh, why would it be in games? Things in startup, maybe in the PIF thing. So I guess I'll call it text mode. Full screen would probably be good. And it's on Doom SW. What was the file name? Let's open MS-DOS here. And then we can go into Doom SW, see how to start it up. And okay, it's just Doom to start it, so you can exit that, it brings it back here. Doom.exe, Doom, and how do I save this? Doom.pif. Let's put it in. Let's put it with here. We can close that. And I'm just looking through stuff. And all this stuff. So it should be in applications now. No, it's not. Oh no, almost closed the application manager. So now I don't know how to add a new PIF file. Maybe if I open it. Oh. Okay, the PIF file works. I'm not able to do anything. Oh, yeah, Doom didn't work, but at least something happened. So, bye everyone.